friends, welcome back to my channel eSchool Online. So let us start a very important essay topic. So all students please learn from the essay how to write an essay. The topic is deforestation and degradation of forests. So please like my video, share my video, and if you are new for my channel, please subscribe my channel. So let us start. First one is introduction, then causes of deforestation and degradation, then effects of degradation, then conclusion. Depletion of forest has been a serious environmental problem in India, especially in rural India. When dense forests become less dense or often due to gradual loss of trees, it is called degradation of forests. When dense or closed forest is cleared and converted into land without the cover, the process is called deforestation. In other words, deforestation means clear cutting of forest. Various human activities have caused deforestation and degradation of forests. Then the next part, various causes responsible for deforestation and depletion of forests are associated with human activities. We can list them as follows. First one is population growth. Increasing number of people is creating increasing demand for forest products. The demand for timber of furniture and construction industries, wood pulp for paper industry, medicinal plants for pharmaceutical industry are increasing. Further, forests are being converted into agricultural lands and lands for human habitation. It is because growing human population demands more food and area for dwelling. Then the second point is overgrazing. India has the largest cattle population in the world. Significance of this cattle population depends on forests for fodder. Small cattle like goat and sheep do considerable damage to trees while grazing in forests and on pastured land. Then the third reason is demand for fuel wood. Rural households living near forests collect fuel wood either for domestic use or for selling in the market for income. Trees fall for fuel wood cause loss of forest cover. Fuel wood sold in urban markets is a chief cause of urban air pollution because urban poor of low income who cannot buy LPG or kerosene use them in chullas. Then the fourth point, rural unemployment and poverty. With the growing number of poor households in rural areas, especially tribal areas who live off the forests for self-consumption and income, the forests have been overexploited. Various forest products such as fuel wood, timber, tender leaves, wax, honey, medicinal plants are collected and sold in the market for income by the rural poor. There are numerous effects of degradation of forests. They bring about climatic change and mostly affect the agricultural sector. Some of the effects of degradation are as follows. Erosion of soil. The loss of forest cover causes soil erosion in the hills and mountains. As roots of trees hold soil in high altitude areas, with the filling of trees, soil gets loose. Wind and water erode fertile soil. Stone and boulders become loose causing land and mudslides in hilly mountains areas during the rainy season. Then the global warming. The loss of forest cover is responsible for global warming. Certain gases like carbon dioxide, methane and nitrogen oxides that trap solar heat have accumulated in the atmosphere, causing rise in atmospheric temperature. The rise in atmospheric temperature melted polar ice, causing rise in the level of water in seas and oceans. The rise in the sea caused flood in many areas. Had there been forest cover, the trees would have absorbed such gases. Then loss of biodiversity. A forest is a place where we find various plants and animals. It is a store of genetic resources, various plants and animals. It is a store of genetic resources. Various forms of life becomes extinct with the loss of forest. The loss of variety in plants and animals, in the loss of biodiversity, the loss of genetic resources harms nature and subsequently us. Loss of moisturizer in soil. Dense forest attracts a lot of rainfall. Then rain increases the moisture content of the soil and replenishes the stock of groundwater, but without rainfall the water content of the soil is reduced substantially. In the hilly areas with no forest cover, most of the rainwater flows down as a runoff because of the slope and less of it goes into the soil. Flowing water causes soil erosion and the soil loses moisture. Scarcity of water is a severe problem in the hills where forest cover has been lost. Now we know that forests are vital in our life. It is our foremost obligation to protect them from degradation and destruction caused by human economic and implementing activities. Though education and publicity, afforestation, use of alternative sources such as LPG in rural areas instead of wood etc. shall definitely improve the situation. Thank you all.